In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I cook my okra soup, how I make my yummy Nigerian okra soup. Okay, so if you want to see how I make it, keep watching, subscribe if you have not, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. So let's get right into this video. So right here I have my stock fish and my dry fish. I've cooked it. Okay, I've pre-cooked it. Okay, yeah, that's what you're seeing here. And the next one is my oziza leaf. This is my dry oziza leaf. Okay, it's dried one, I don't have fresh one here. So the next one is my dry blended crayfish, and here is my pepper. Yeah, my red bell pepper, tatashi, all of them blended together. My onion, my season cube and salt. And here I have my fresh okra. Okay, the main highlight of this video. Okay, I have a enough of it. I have plenty of it because I wanted to make this soup plenty. I have a video when I went to go and buy this, a market vlog. Please watch if you have not watched. So this is my washed spinach. Okay, and here is my meat. I've cooked it yesterday and stored in the freezer. That's why you're seeing it. I just brought it out from the freezer. And here I have all the ingredients and items I'm going to be using to make this yummy okra soup. Okay, so first get your dry pot and add your red oil, add your onion. Yeah, after that I'm going to fry it to release the flavor. Add your pepper, your blended pepper, and continue frying. Okay, yeah. So after stirring for a while, I'll go ahead to add my salt, my salt and my nor cube. I used to nor cube. Yeah, then I'll continue stirring. After that, I'll add my stock fish and my dry fish so everything can mix with the sauce. Yeah. So after giving it a good stir, mixing it together, I'll go ahead and add my meat stock and also give it a good stir so everything can mix well. So at this point, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and God bless you all for all the massive support you have been showering on this channel. Okay, thank you all so much. So go ahead to cover to cook. So the sauce and the meat stock have mixed and is cooking very well. Okay, so after stirring it for a while, I'll go ahead and add my crayfish for flavor, for more flavor and more yummy delicious taste. Add my Cameroon pepper because I want it to be a little bit spicy. Yeah, and give it a good stir. I hope you guys are enjoying this recipe so far, so good. This is how I make my okra soup. Okay, you can try it out. Yeah, this is my style. So after giving it a good stir, I'll go ahead to start adding my okra so it will mix well and cook well. Okay, so yeah. So guys, story behind this okra soup. I went to the market. I wanted to cook egusi soup, and I went to the market and saw this fresh okra. I can't resist it. I decided to buy it because this is the season where we are now, and let's enjoy it while it lasts. Okay. Yeah, so I'll give it a good stir. I love this sauce in this okra. Like, it's so nice. Okay. Yeah, so as I was telling my story, so I decided to change my mind and cook okra. I later cooked the egusi, but this okra is still in my freezer now, like because okra is my son's soup. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my utazi. Oh my god, I said utazi, sorry, oziza leaf, my dry oziza leaf. Okay, so this leaf gives gives soup a very beautiful and lovely flavor, if you know. Okay, it gives soup, oha soup, egusi soup, onubu soup. It gives it a very good and beautiful flavor. Okay, I'll go ahead and give it a good stir. Keep stirring it so everything will mix well before I cover it to cook. Okay, yeah. So after stirring it, you can still check if you want to add salt, pepper, and all that. So go ahead and cover it to cook. So our soup is ready. It has cooked well. Yeah, it has cooked well. I'll go ahead and start adding my spinach. Okay, because this is just vegetable okra soup for me. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my beautiful spinach, stir it and let it heat up for like seconds before I off the lights, before I off the gas or off the stove. Which one is correct? Is it gas or stove? Anyone, sure. So I'm going to go ahead to stir my soup, like give it a good stir before taking it down. Like, this soup was smelling so nice. It was smelling so nice, like this okra soup air. Oh my god, it was smelling so nice. It tasted so delicious. I don't even know the word to use for it. Like, I don't know the exact word that is going to fit in for this okra soup. So guys, tell me in the comment section if you are going to be trying this recipe, this beautiful recipe. Please ignore this is how I make mine. Do not say this is how okra soup is made. This is how I make my vegetable okra soup. Okay, you can do with whatever you have at home. Okay, it mustn't be like, it mustn't be all that I said. You, anything that you have, just make a good use of it at home. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Like, so guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. We enjoyed this soup with wheat, with swallow. Some people like, yeah, you just be licking it like that. Okay, so please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and let me know if you're going to be trying out our recipe. Okay, thank you all so much, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye.